and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways.
The Clark County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a 15-year-old female named Catherine G. Gutierrez. She is 5 feet, 1 inch tall and weighs 215 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, and was last seen in area of NE 58th ST in Vancouver, WA, wearing a gray hoodie with class of 2021 and blue jeans and white Air Force shoes. She may be in the company of Alejandrino R. Soriano, a 53-year-old male, is 5 feet, 6 inches tall, weighing 185 pounds with brown eyes and brown hair. The suspect and child were last seen on September 8 at 4:30 p.m. in the area of NE 58th ST in Vancouver, WA, after an altercation between the suspect and the child's mother. It is believed she is with him unwillingly at this point. They may be traveling in a 2004 blue Honda Accord, 4 doors with unknown license plate switched. If you have information, please call 911. If there are specific instructions included, you may paste them here or just paste the entire text of the alert in the window above.
I want you to be happier when the evening falls.
The Amber Alert for Catherine Gutierrez is cancelled. The child was located and is safe.